Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making creamy avocado pasta. So first things first, we have our pot of boiling salted water with a splash of oil. We're going to go ahead and drop our spaghetti. We've got whole wheat pasta here. Give it a spin, drop, let it scatter like that. That'll help prevent sticking. So we'll let that start to work away. In the meantime, we're going to work on the creamy avocado portion of the dish. We have a few basil leaves, a clove of garlic. We've got one avocado, and now we're going to add lemon juice. I've already added just a pinch of salt, a little bit of pepper. Just going to add a squirt of oil. We're going to process this until smooth. All right, at this point, I'm going to dip just a touch of my starchy pasta liquid into the avocado. Just kind of smooth it out a little bit. Okay, now we're ready to drain our pasta. All right. This may or may not be necessary in some cases, but for us, we've got just a few pieces of the avocado that didn't want to process smooth, so we're going to push it through a strainer just to get it nice and smooth. Much more smooth. Still have a few pieces, but that's okay. And at this point, all there is left to do is to toss our pasta in the avocado. And then we'll plate this up and show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.